Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to download apps on your iPhone running iOS 27. Whether you're using a new iPhone or you have just updated to iOS 27, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Now tap the search tab at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the app you want to download, like WhatsApp, Instagram, ChatGPT or any other app. When you find the app, go to the app page, tap the Get button if it's free. If it's paid app, you'll see the price instead. Next, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID or your iPhone passcode. If you haven't set up Face ID, Touch ID or a passcode, you can also confirm the download by entering your Apple account password. If you're not signed into your Apple account, your iPhone will first ask you to sign in. Once you're signed in, enter your Apple account password to download the app and tap confirm. Your app will start downloading right away. Once the download is complete, you'll find the app on your home screen. Just tap it to open and start using it. That's all there is to it. Downloading apps on iPhone iOS 27 is really simple once you know the steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.